Hello and welcome. If you are preparing to take the CFA exam, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about exam day at the test center. From identification requirements to breaks and results, here is what you can expect. Identification and check-in. To enter the exam, you must bring your valid, unexpired international passport. It must be the original document, not a copy or a passport card. Your passport should clearly display your full name, date of birth, photograph, and expiration date. Make sure that the name on your passport matches the name on your CFA registration. Small differences in capitalization or accents are fine, but nicknames or shortened names are not accepted. If you are testing in mainland China, Hong Kong, or Taiwan, you may need an additional travel permit along with your passport. What you can bring. Only 2 calculator models are approved for the CFA exam. The Texas Instruments BA2 Plus, including the professional version, and the Hewlett-Packard 12C, including its special editions. You are allowed to bring calculator covers, keystroke cards, spare batteries, and even a small screwdriver to replace them. However, manuals are not permitted. Before you begin, you will be asked to clear your calculator's memory. You will also be given 2 booklets of colored scratch paper and pencils for your rough work. If scratch paper is not available, a noteboard and markers will be provided. If you need more paper, you must hand in your used sheets first to receive new ones. Breaks. The exam is divided into 2 sessions with an optional 30-minute break in between. During this break, you may access your locker for food, water, or medication, and you may also leave the test center. However, unscheduled breaks are more restricted. You may only access food, water, or medication from your locker, and you cannot leave the building. During the exam, you will begin with a 15-minute tutorial to help you get comfortable with the testing system. At the end, there is a short, optional survey. You can review questions within each section, but once you complete a section, you cannot go back to it. Completion and results. When your exam is finished, you will see a notice of completion on the screen. You will also receive an email confirmation. Your exam results are not released immediately. The CFA Institute will provide your scores about 6 to 8 weeks after the exam. Closing. That is what you need to know before stepping into the CFA Exam Center. Remember to check your passport, pack your approved calculator, and plan your break strategy. With the right preparation, you can walk into your exam confidently. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your CFA journey.